In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Chat's account. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. Google Chat cannot be deleted as a separate standalone account on its own. If you want to remove Google Chat completely, the method available is to delete your entire Google account. That means services connected to that account, like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, and other Google products may also be removed. So make sure you fully understand the impact before continuing. To get started, open your browser and go to your Google account settings. This is the main area where Google lets you manage your personal information, privacy controls, and account preferences. Once you're there, take a moment to confirm that you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. After that, look for the Data and Privacy section and click on it. This area contains the settings related to your activity, stored information, and account management options. You may need to scroll a little depending on the device you're using, but this is the section where Google places deletion and data control tools. Next, find the option that says Delete your Google account and click on it. This will take you to the account deletion page. Google includes this page to make sure users intentionally choose account deletion, since it is a major action and can affect access to many Google services. At this point, Google will usually ask you to verify your identity. Click into the password field and enter your password carefully. This security step is there to confirm that it's really you making the request. For privacy and safety, always enter your password directly on the official Google sign-in page and avoid sharing it with anyone. Once you've entered your password, click Next. This will move you forward to the confirmation pages for deletion. These pages are very important, so don't rush through them. Google may show you warnings about what data will be lost, what services will stop working, and whether there are any recovery options or downloadable data available before deletion. Read everything on the confirmation pages carefully so you know exactly what will happen next. If your goal is to remove Google Chat, remember that continuing here means deleting the full Google account connected to it. And that's the process for deleting a Google Chat account through Google account deletion. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow along carefully and double check every confirmation screen before completing the final action.